This is how you market. Marketing is just like having a great friend and you want to show him something cool. First, you got something special. And that special thing is something like a great product, a good service, or an amazing skill. Any one of those three. It can just, or anything else. Then you find people who will like it, which is your target audience. You look for folks who will benefit from or like what you have. Then you show them how awesome it is. You let them know how special your thing is in a way that makes them feel interested and show them how it's a good fit for them. And what you don't have to do is be pushy, trick anybody, or act like anybody else. And there's advantages for marketing, especially in your personal life, because marketing is not just for business, it's for your personal life as well. It's the awareness of how to take attention, get attention for yourself to get noticed. And that's number one, getting noticed. You get brand awareness. You get more clients, which is customer accusations. Then there's keeping the clients happy, your client retainers. Then you stand out. It gives you a competitive advantage. Then you make more money. Simple as that. And that is the revenue growth. Then you get an understanding of your audience, of your target demographic, whatever you want to call it. Then you build a good reputation because people trust you because they trust that you do what you say, or what you say, what you do has a good meaning behind the brand. It's the good brand. People trust the brand. People buy from the brand. In short, marketing is a powerful asset. It's a powerful asset or skill that you can have to leverage your personal life and your business. It helps you connect with others and build relationships. It can be used to capture attention, then manage attention, which in business, attention equals more leverage, and more leverage equals an easier way to sell. Because people buy the brand, not the business. And as the business, I'm talking about the service or the product. And as simple as that. Awareness is not that hard. Marketing is not that hard as well. You don't need to read 1,000 books. You don't have to talk to 100 people a day. You don't have to study back and forth and all this nonsense. Learning how to market is leveraging how you can capture attention. Capturing attention is easier than you think because there's AI, there's people to do it for you. You don't have to do any of this learning yourself. You could just learn to leverage these people that already know how to do the formatting of SEO, of capture attention in the 0.1 seconds in a short or a TikTok or Instagram reel. Learning how to do long-term content and multiplying that into a bunch of short-term videos where you could do it in less than 30 seconds, less than a day. You can get done your whole work week in less than a day, just using AI and a professional strategy, and having humanized connections where you can actually engage with your audience, where you can actually have a community, where you can actually speak to who you want to speak to without sounding like a robot or everybody else. You can sell in a natural pattern. Marketing yourself is attention, and gathering a bunch of attention and learning how YouTube works, learning how TikTok works, learning how Instagram works. You don't have to do none of that anymore. You just build examples. It's a platform. Once you get your platform started and make yourself look like a real person on that platform, you can start monetizing your skills. For instance, if you do decide to go the YouTube route, you make long-term videos. You can turn a bunch of short-term videos with AI. Use that to edit. Use that for post-production. You can use that for sound quality. You don't need an expensive mic. You don't need an expensive camera. All you need is a phone and a laptop. You don't even need a PC anymore. And actually, I lied. You don't even need a laptop anymore. You could do everything just all based off of your phone. For me, YouTube is the biggest search engine in the world, other than Google. So starting on there is going to be the hardest because you got to be more specific. It's more of a wider gap. But Instagram is more focused and will push you out to your demographic easier. TikTok is the same way, but you won't get paid from TikTok just by posting content. Posting content is what everyone else is starting to think of now. But being able to leverage yourself as a personal brand, not having 1 million followers, not having 10,000 followers, you could still be able to gain clients and market and sell your stuff. All it depends on is you. It depends on how well you set up your page to make it look like you're a real person that actually care about themselves and care about the other person and make yourself trustworthy. And that's it.